Before using your ice maker for the first time, run the self-cleaning function. To run the self-cleaning, 1. Open the lid. 2. Remove the basket. 3. Add 2 cups of water and 2 cups of vinegar. Four, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the red light flashes. The ice maker will begin the self-cleaning process. After approximately 10 minutes, the self-cleaning will be complete. Drain the cleaning solution from the ice maker by removing the rear drain cap and plug. To remove any remaining vinegar from the reservoir, we recommend repeating the self-cleaning steps with just water. Once the second cleaning has completed, your ice maker will be ready to make ice cubes. To make ice cubes, fill the water tank with clean water up to the maximum water line. Place the basket back in the unit and close the lid. Press the power button once to begin making ice. Your ice maker will continue producing ice to fill the basket. Use the ice scoop provided with your ice maker to serve your ice and enjoy.